Tesla's cheapest EV just changed everything. Tesla is about to do something no major automaker has ever dared. What if the next Tesla isn't for the rich? What if it costs less than your phone bill each month? And what if this single car is about to flip the entire auto industry upside down? Because Tesla's next move isn't just surprising, it's dangerous for everyone else. After years of dominating the premium EV world, Tesla is preparing to do something it's never done before. Go cheap, not discounted, not stripped down. Cheap enough to shake the global car market at its core. Sources say Tesla's next vehicle could start around $25,000. And that number? It terrifies competitors. Because this isn't just a new Tesla. It's a direct attack on the biggest barrier holding EVs back: price. For over a decade, Tesla has rewritten the rules. First, the luxury Model S, then the bold Model X, then the Model 3, the car that made EV mainstream, and finally, the Model Y. In 2023 alone, Tesla delivered nearly 2 million vehicles worldwide. The Model Y didn't just win EV sales, it became the best-selling car on Earth, period. Electric or gas. But even with all that success, there was one wall Tesla couldn't break: affordability. Because even Tesla's cheapest cars still cost more than millions of families can justify. Emerging markets, young buyers, first-time car owners, they were locked out. Until now. Enter the vehicle insiders are calling the Model 2. Smaller, simpler, radically cheaper, and potentially the most important car Tesla has ever built. Leaks and industry whispers suggest a launch price hovering around $25,000, making it the cheapest Tesla in history. But here's the twist. This isn't just a cheaper car. It's a completely new way of building cars. Elon Musk has teased it repeatedly on investor calls, calling it Tesla's next-generation platform. Lighter, more efficient, designed from the ground up to slash costs. The secret weapon? Tesla's new unboxed manufacturing process. Instead of building cars piece by piece on long assembly lines, Tesla plans to build major sections independently, then snap them together in a simplified final step. Fewer workers, smaller factories, faster production, and dramatically lower costs. This isn't optimization, it's disruption. And where will this car be built? All signs point to Gigafactory Mexico, strategically placed near the US and Latin America, with lower operating costs and faster scaling potential. If production starts there, Tesla could flood price-sensitive markets before rivals even react. By the time competitors respond, the damage may already be done. So what kind of car are we talking about? Rumors suggest a compact hatchback or small crossover, designed for city life, daily commuting, and mass adoption. Expected range? Around 250 to 300 miles per charge. Enough to be practical, not enough to inflate battery costs. Every decision screams one thing: maximum reach, minimum price. And that's where things get serious. Because if Tesla delivers on this promise, it doesn't just sell more cars, it unlocks entirely new audiences. First-time buyers, younger drivers, developing markets where EV were never an option. At $25,000, this Tesla doesn't just compete with EV, it competes with gasoline cars, head-on. Which means this isn't just bad news for legacy automakers, it's an existential threat. Because once price parity is broken, there's no going back. So the real question isn't, can Tesla build a $25,000 EV? The real question is, what happens to the auto industry when it does? Because if Tesla gets this right, this won't be their cheapest car. It'll be their most powerful one yet. So the very category that sells in the tens of millions annually. For context, vehicles like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and VW Golf dominate global sales because they are reliable, practical, and within reach for the average buyer. If Tesla can match that price point while offering the benefits of an EV, lower running costs, instant torque, and access to its supercharger network, It could pull massive market share from both traditional automakers and new EV rivals. Tesla's global charging infrastructure is a hidden advantage here. While budget EV competitors like BYD Dolphin or MG4 often rely on fragmented charging networks, Tesla owners enjoy a seamless experience with over 55,000 superchargers worldwide. This gives the Model 2 a clear edge in convenience, particularly for first-time EV buyers wary of charging limitations. We've seen this playbook before. When Tesla launched the Model 3 in 2017, it effectively redefined the mid-market sedan segment, forcing rivals like BMW and Mercedes to rethink their lineups. If the Model 2 can replicate that disruption in the budget segment, Tesla wouldn't just maintain its lead in EV sales, it could lock in dominance for the next decade. And because Tesla's profit margins are already stronger than most automakers, the company can afford to price aggressively without sacrificing financial stability. In short, the Model 2 could become the electric equivalent of the Ford Model T, a vehicle that doesn't just sell well, but fundamentally reshapes the market. While the Model 2 could be a game changer, pulling it off won't be easy. The most immediate challenge is competition, and it's coming fast. Chinese automakers like BYD, SEX, MG, and Geely are already selling EVs in the $20,000 to $25,000 range, often with generous features and solid range. The BYD Dolphin, for example, offers up to 265 miles of range and undercuts even the rumored Model 2 price in certain markets. These brands are not only competing on cost, but also expanding aggressively into Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America, regions Tesla hopes to target with the Model 2. Another hurdle is the supply chain. EV production depends heavily on materials like lithium, nickel, and cobalt, and their prices can be volatile. Even a modest spike could push the Model 2's price beyond its critical affordability threshold. Manufacturing in Mexico might reduce labor costs, but it also adds logistical complexity, from parts sourcing to cross-border regulations. There's also the risk of disappointing expectations. If the Model 2 cuts too many features to meet the $25,000 price, customers may opt for competitors offering better value, even if the brand name isn't as prestigious as Tesla's. Furthermore, there's the potential for internal cannibalization. A budget-friendly Model 2 could eat into Model 3 sales, which are currently a major profit driver. Finally, there's timing. If Tesla takes too long to bring the Model 2 to market, competitors may lock in customer loyalty with their own affordable EVs, eroding the first-mover advantage Tesla has enjoyed for over a decade. In short, the Model 2's potential is enormous, but so are the pitfalls if Tesla miscalculates. The Model 2 isn't launching into a vacuum. It's arriving at a critical inflection point for the entire auto industry. Global EV adoption is accelerating, but it's far from universal. In wealthy markets like Norway and parts of Western Europe, EVs already make up more than 80% of new car sales. But in countries like India, Brazil, and much of Southeast Asia, that figure is still in the single digits, largely because of affordability barriers. A $25,000 Tesla could flip that script, making EVs a realistic choice for middle-class buyers worldwide. There's also a geopolitical angle. China currently dominates the affordable EV segment, with companies like BYD, Wuling, and NIO rapidly expanding their reach. If Tesla can produce the Model 2 at scale in Mexico, outside of China's manufacturing ecosystem, it could give Western markets a competitive alternative to Chinese imports. That's not just a business advantage, it's a strategic one, especially as governments weigh tariffs and subsidies to protect domestic auto industries. Historically, moments like this can define an automaker's legacy. When Ford launched the Model T in 1908, it didn't just sell millions of cars, it reshaped global transportation. Tesla's Model 2 could play a similar role in the EV era, setting the benchmark for what an affordable electric car can be, while forcing rivals to follow suit or risk irrelevance. Whether Tesla can seize that opportunity will depend on execution, timing, and how quickly competitors respond. The Model 2 has the potential to be Tesla's most important car yet, not because it's the fastest or flashiest, but because it could finally make electric driving accessible to the masses. If Tesla delivers on its promise of affordability, range, and quality, this could be the vehicle that transforms EVs from a premium option into the default choice for everyday drivers around the world. But the stakes couldn't be higher. A misstep in pricing, production, or timing could hand the victory to rivals who are already racing to claim the budget EV crown. As the industry braces for this next chapter, one thing is certain. The Model 2 isn't just another car launch. It's a test of Tesla's ability to stay ahead in an increasingly crowded market and a chance to cement its place in automotive history. The only question now is whether Elon Musk can turn this ambitious vision into reality before the competition beats him to it.